Today I will not take your class. Okay, I will not take your class. I will just share your marks. Okay, your MSN marks. Okay, so who are who are getting low marks and how you can improve. Okay, so are you ready to listen to your marks?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है. दिस इज ओनली MSN 1. MSN 2 मेरे पास नहीं है. ठीक है. सो MSN 1 I have corrected and there are some students that needs improvement and some students who did very well also. ठीक है. ये even those who are doing very well but still they have made a mistake. ठीक है. एक बार मैं क्वेश्चन पेपर देखती हूँ. क्वेश्चन पेपर यस. Okay, so मैंने ये observe किया है. Majority of you all are there is a question in right or wrong. है ना? In right and wrong there is a question that is disinfection is a process. You all can hear me? Audible है ना
Yes,
सबके
ma'am.
लिए? अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there is the second question that is disinfection is a process of killing all microorganism, even their spores. ठीक है. सबने लिखा है it is true. The actual answer is it is false. ठीक है. Disinfection is not it does not kill the spores. ठीक है. कौन सा प्रोसीजर है that kills the spores or damage or destroys the spores of the microorganism? It is autoclaving. ठीक है. शायद तुम लोगों को confusion हो गया. ठीक है. So disinfection is not the right answer. It is autoclaving. ठीक है. So autoclaving it is a process of killing all microorganism even their spores. ये याद रखना. ठीक है. लेकिन disinfection क्या है? Disinfection it is just killing the microorganism superficially. ठीक है. ऊपर से वो डिस्ट्रॉय करे लेकिन वो जो स्पोर्स है वो जो रूट ग्रास रूट लेवल है. Okay, they are not killing those the roots or the spores of the microorganism. Okay, so that was the first problem that everyone had did. Okay, everyone has done this mistake. नहीं मैम प्रशांत से मैंने टॉपिक भी टैली करवाया है. टॉपिक कंप्लीटेड है. Then the second is everyone has made a mistake in the third question. ठीक है. ये भी right and wrong. There are 5 stages of kidney failure. ठीक है. 5 stages of renal failure. ठीक है. So the right answer is correct. Okay, right, true, but majority you all have written false. Okay, so that also majority have got low marks because of that. Then second is ये भी confusion. I think everyone has got confused. The second type 2 diabetes is a condition where no insulin is produced from the pancreas. Okay, there are 3 types of diabetes. एक है type 1 diabetes, एक है second is type 2 diabetes and the third is gestational diabetes. Okay, so first type 1 diabetes, it is a condition where there is no insulin. ये जो pancreas है, ठीक है, the pancreas is not producing any insulin. Okay, ये जो pancreas है, it is not even it is not active. Okay, it is not producing any insulin. So that is type 1. Type 2 में क्या होता है कि pancreas is producing insulin but it is not that effective. Okay, it is not मतलब उतना quantity नहीं है जितना हम ग्लूकोज को ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो दैट इज टाइप 2. सो everyone has written कि it is correct. Type 2 diabetes is a condition where no insulin is produced from the pancreas. So majority of you all have written correct, which is wrong. Okay? So that also there is a confusion, there is a problem in that. Okay. Then next, I think others have done well. These are the 3 ones. Then coming to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First of all, many students have written a treatment that acts an artificial kidney is called dash. Okay. So a treatment that acts as an artificial kidney is called dash. The right answer is dialysis. Okay, but majority of you all have written transplant, kidney transplant. किसी ने तो कुछ और ही लिख दिया, पता नहीं क्या मतलब कौन सा प्रोसीजर था वो, ठीक है, I don't remember, but the right answer for this question is dialysis. Okay, so dialysis is a treatment that acts as an artificial kidney. ठीक है, ये एक प्रोसीजर है, ठीक है. So remember the dialysis is the procedure or the treatment that acts as an artificial kidney. So the right answer is dialysis. Then third question is, this is relating to practical. तो मैंने बोला है एग्जाम से पहले that your questions can also come from your practical. Okay, because I have taken many procedures. Okay, so I just wanted to check if you can remember the procedure. Okay, so the question here is, an instrument dash is used to hold sutures for suturing. Okay, so the right answer is needle holder. Okay, it is a needle holder that we use to hold the sutures for suturing. Okay, I have taught each and every one of you to do suturing. Okay, it is, most of you all wrote artery forceps. Artery forceps is not an instrument to hold the suture, okay, to hold the suture needle. Okay, artery forceps is basically to hold the to hold a tissue, or to hold the to hold any article, or to hold any gauze pieces या cotton balls. ठीक है, we can use artery forceps. लेकिन suturing के लिए हम needle holder ही use करें. Needle holder में जो बीच में है, there is a hole in between. ठीक है, at the tip of the needle holder there is a hole, so that hole will support the suture needle. Okay, so that is why we use a needle holder. Okay, so many of you have got wrong answer for this question. Then there is also another confusion. Dash is the use of medicine to prevent pain during surgery in OT. सब ने लिखा morphine, किसी ने लिखा है analgesic. अरे analgesic is not, this is an OT during a surgery. ठीक है, so we do not use analgesic. Analgesics we use in post-operative management. ठीक है, so during the surgery in OT, what medication we give? Okay, we give the anesthesia. ठीक है, so that anesthesia पूरा numbness हो जाता है ना, so patient will not have any sensation, patient will not have any pain. So anesthesia is the right answer. सबने तो morphine लिख दिया, सबने analgesic medicine लिख दिया, किसी ने NSAIDs भी लिखा है. ठीक है, so that was another wrong, that was another question that everyone got confused. Then apart from that, two types of nurses in OT, this also many of you have got correct. Okay, so some wrote scrubbing nurse. There is no such thing as scrubbing nurse. Okay, there is only scrub nurse. Okay, scrubbing nurse is wrong. Okay, जिसने scrubbing nurse लिखा है, that I have given wrong. Okay, so then apart from that, coming to the MCQs. MCQs में I think everyone did very well. Okay, almost everyone got 10 marks, but some students have ठीक है, एक question है, ये रखो, ये third question. Condition in which arteries in the lungs becomes blocked by a blood clot. ठीक है, pulmonary arteries में अगर कोई भी blood clot, ठीक है, कोई भी blood clot present होता है arteries के अंदर में, उसको बोलते हैं pulmonary embolism. ठीक है, do not get confused whenever you see embolism, emboli का मतलब है blood clot. ठीक है, so pulmonary embolism is the right answer. किसी ने तो लिखा है pneumothorax. Okay, pneumothorax is not blood clot in the pulmonary arteries. Pneumothorax is basically air in the lungs. Okay, air in the lung parenchyma. किसी ने लिखा है pulmonary tuberculosis. अरे pulmonary tuberculosis is an infection disease condition, is a bacterial infection disease condition. ठीक है, it is not related to blood clot. And किसी ने तो pneumonia nobody wrote, that is fine, but you all got confused between pneumothorax and pulmonary embolism. ठीक है, so here the right answer is pulmonary embolism. ठीक है, can you hear me? किसी को डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then another very confusing question. I feel like you all have confused. Fourth question, glossitis is defined as inflammation of. ठीक है, मैंने ऑप्शन दे रखा है gums, mouth, tongue, cheilitis. ठीक है, what is the inflammation of the gums? Who can tell me? Shivani Sharma, please tell me what is inflammation of gums. बताओ. I have taught you many times relating with the oral cavity. बताओ, शिवानी शर्मा है या नहीं? Sure. Okay, Rupali is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupali, tell me what is the inflammation of gums? उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Hello, what, ma'am?
Inflammation of gums is called as dash. नहीं, inflammation of gums. What is inflammation of gums?
Ma'am, gingivitis.
Gingivitis, ma'am.
Gingivitis. Inflammation of gums is called gingivitis. Okay. What is so the right answer? Many of you have wrote gums. Okay. Glossitis is defined as inflammation of gums. That is wrong. Okay. So glossitis is defined as inflammation of the tongue. Okay. Those who have written tongue, I have given them full marks. Those who have written gums, those who have written mouth, wrong. ठीक है. What is inflammation of the mouth? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Who can tell me?
Stomatitis.
Yes. Inflammation of the mouth is called stomatitis. Inflammation of the gums, it is called gingivitis. Inflammation of the tongue is called glossitis. Okay, remember that. So that was also another question where everyone did wrong. Almost everyone. फिर हाँ, cholelithiasis. अरे, cholelithiasis is stone formation in the gall bladder. People, some of you have written inflammation in the bladder, which is wrong. ठीक है, I am not talking about urinary bladder. ठीक है, stone formation in urinary bladder is something else. ठीक है, so gall bladder is the right answer. Okay, and also this question, which of the following diagnostic test is used to assess health of muscles? ठीक है, ये मैंने बहुत ही बार समझाया है. टेस्ट टू चेक द हेल्थ ऑफ मसल एक्टिविटी चेक करने के लिए, मसल टोन चेक करने हैं. तो ये कौन सा टेस्ट है? इलेक्ट्रोमायोग्राफी. ठीक है, EMG, electromyography. It is a test where we can check the condition of the muscles, the muscle activity, the muscle tone. ठीक है, reflection, extension. ठीक है, that is EMG. Most of you have written EEG. Who can tell me the full form of EEG? एक second. Himani is there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is EEG?
Ma'am, electroencephalogram.
Electroencephalogram. ठीक है, तो EEG is electroencephalogram. It is a diagnostic test where we check the activity of the brain. ठीक है, we check the electrical impulse. Okay, the electrical signals which are transferring from from the synaptic cleft. Okay, from in the nerves. So that is EEG. ठीक है, majority of you have written EEG. अरे EEG is relating to the brain, EMG is relating to the muscles. ठीक है, so this also you were very confused. Okay, and also another one, a clinical scale is used to assess the level of consciousness. ठीक है, LOC, level of consciousness. ये देखना है कि patient conscious है या नहीं, patient is in coma or patient is alert. Okay, so what is the test? What is the scale that we are using here? It is Glasgow Coma scale. This I have taught you many times when I taught you neurological disease condition. Okay, majority of neurological disease condition they are using GCS, and a Glasgow Coma scale to check the alertness of the patient, to check the consciousness. इसमें भी बहुत सारे बच्चे ने गलती किया है. They wrote, some wrote Braden scale, some wrote numerical pain rating scale. मतलब there is no connection between pain and level of consciousness. Okay, so this also, please next time whenever you see this such question, do not repeat the same mistake. Then yes, goiter is swelling off. Goiter. Goiter is very, very common. Okay, it is goiter is very common in India also. Okay, so goiter is swelling of thyroid gland. Some wrote thymus gland. Okay, so it is wrong. The right answer is thyroid gland. Okay, so there also many have got confused between, maybe got confused thyroid or thymus gland ki beech mein. Okay, so that is also wrong. Then okay, regarding the short answers, okay, so short answers that I have to see individually, but objectives, I think majority of you all have done very well in objectives. Okay, so you are passed because of objectives. Okay, so first we'll start with Varsha. Varsha is there? Varsha hai ya nahi?
Good morning, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So Varsha, Varsha also objectives में you have done very bad. ठीक है? Especially MCQs. MCQs you have done very bad. Okay. Electroencephalogram लिख दिया. Thymus gland लिख दिया. Gallbladder mouth लिख दिया. ठीक है? So objectives wrong. So because of your objectives and also some of your subjective answers, okay, where you have passed. Okay, so your mark MSN 1 marks is 33.5. Basically, it is 34. Next is Yashika. Yashika is present or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yashika, also you have done very nicely. Okay, your NCP is very good. Okay, nursing care plan, you have done it very well. I have seen you have written all the 6 steps. Okay, so for NCP you have got very good marks. जिसको भी confusion है NCP से related, you can ask Yashika. Yashika is very good in NCP. ठीक है, I have seen if you have any doubts relating NCP, कैसे diagnosis बनाना है, कैसे हमें intervention लिखना है, तो you ask from Yashika. Okay, I applaud Yashika for the NCP. She did very well. Okay, so Yashika, you have done well, but there are some objectives also that are wrong. Okay, objectives में yes, you have done wrong. Okay, you have written just needle. It is, you have to write full. You have to write needle holder. Okay, so that also you got wrong. So I am very particular with your objective क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा objectives दिया है. ठीक है. So Yashika 42.5, 43. Monica
Okay,
Gupta है. Monica Gupta, present or absent? Tarun is present or absent? Tarun is also absent. Ishan? Ishan भी नहीं है. Nikita is there? Nikita भी नहीं है. Mandeep? Rupali? Rupali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rupali.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है. Rupali got Your marks is 33.5, 34. प्रशांत भाटी, प्रशांत नहीं है, प्रशांत भाटी नहीं है, शिवानी शर्मा,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, Shivani Sharma, please tell me what is circulators होता है ऐसे circulator. Okay, you have written circulator, you have written knits holder. जल्दबाजी में तुम लोग क्या लिखते हो? Yes, Shivani Sharma, I want you to improve your spellings. ठीक है? I am trying to improve. I'm trying to help you so that you will improve. You have to improve your spellings. सुनाई दे रहा है सबको? I mean, Shivani, you can hear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. Improve your spellings. ठीक है? Medicine and these spellings also you have to learn. So Shivani Sharma 35. पंकज है या नहीं?
मैम प्रशांत भाटी को बता दूं।
बस हो गया. Your
Ma'am.
time is खत्म.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
ma'am, कितने number?
शिवानी शर्मा 35 out of 50.
Okay, ma'am.
पास है. पंकज है? पंकज is not there. प्रशांत भाटी है?
यस मैम।
हाँ 34. हिमानी?
Yes, ma'am.
हिमानी, your subjective is good, but your objectives में तुमने लिखा है dialysis and kidney transplant. Kidney transplant is not a procedure for which acts as an artificial kidney. ठीक है? So some objectives you have gone wrong. Objectives की वजह से थोड़ा marks कम है, so you are getting 38. Next is Anjali. Anjali is there?
Yes, ma'am.
38.
Okay.
अंजलि है?
Yes, ma'am.
अंजलि did well also.
Yes, ma'am.
अंजलि spelling mistake. ठीक है? Next stiffness, next type लिख दिया. Because of that you're getting low marks. Spellings check कर लेना. ठीक है? Check your grammar. ठीक है? Check your grammar, your spellings. ठीक है? अंजलि 40.5.
Okay, ma'am.
Next Chaya. Chaya is there? छाया नहीं है. शिवानी
Yes, ma'am.
यादव. छाया है? सॉरी. छाया, you did not do well. ठीक है? 26.5. Spelling mistakes.
Okay.
हाँ सुनो छाया. ठीक है? कंफ्यूजन हो गया शायद. हाइटल हर्निया और हेमोरॉइड्स पूरा डिफरेंट है. हाइटल हर्निया इज डिफरेंट. Hemorrhoids or piles is different. ठीक है? You got a confusion in that, or else you would have gotten good marks. But hemorrhoids और piles के बीच में बहुत ही difference है, so you have to improve. So your marks is 26.5, 27. Shivani Yadav. Shivani Yadav is there.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Shivani Yadav, very well done. You have done very well. Okay, you have written very well. Diagrams भी बनाए हैं. ठीक है? यहाँ वहाँ there is some mistake you have done. Okay, so you scored very well. 48.5. Very good. I'm so happy for you. 48.5. Next, Bala Devi. Bala Devi है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा. बाला देवी, तुम्हारा स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स बहुत सारा है. ठीक है? स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स, साइनोसाइटिस स्पेलिंग, जॉन्डिस स्पेलिंग, नीडल स्पेलिंग, स्क्रबिंग भी होता ही नहीं है, स्क्रबनेस होता है. Hypoglycemia, wrong spelling. ठीक है, तो improve your spelling. बाला देवी 28.5, 29.
Okay.
निकी, तो निकी को पता है, नीरज को भी पता है. विशाखा is there?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Vishakha, you have written artery forceps for needle holder, which is wrong. Okay, and you see you did well, but somewhere you have not. Your NCP is also very good. Okay, well done on your NCP. By looking at your NCP, I feel कि मैंने भी कुछ achieve किया है GNM second year में. ठीक है, विशाखा 46. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मेघा कुमारी. मेघा है, मेघा is not there. अर्पिता, अर्पिता is not there. मोहित, मोहित तो है. मोहित,
यस मैम.
अच्छा मोहित.
यस मैम, मोहित प्रेजेंट.
मोहित, तुम्हारा स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स बहुत ज्यादा है. ठीक है, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स वेरी वेरी बैड. ओबेसिटी, अल्कोहल. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर स्पेलिंग. ठीक है, ये तुम्हारे लिए इम्प्रूव, यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव. ठीक है, डायलिसिस, मतलब जॉन्डिस और दिस स्मॉल स्मॉल मिस्टेक्स आर देयर. ठीक है, नॉजिया स्पेलिंग, ब्रीदिंग स्पेलिंग, इम्बैलेंस, डिस्निया, अल्कोहल. ठीक है, सो 27.5, 28. ठीक है, दिव्या, दिव्या is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Divya 36. Divya, you have made so many mistakes in your objectives, in your answers also. पूरा ही NCP तुमने पूरा ही लिखा ही नहीं है. Okay. Divya 36. Shivani Singh, Shivang Singh, sorry, I changed the gender. Shivang Singh is there. Shivang. Okay. Prashant Sharma. Shubham. Prashant Sharma is there or not? Shubham. Manish. Manish Kumar. मनीष कुमार है या नहीं? मनीष, वेरी बैड.
यस मैम.
अच्छा, तो रिस्पॉन्स तो मैंने बुलाया है, रिस्पॉन्स तो करना चाहिए.
मैम
मनीष, वेरी बैड. जी मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया तुमसे. ठीक है, वेरी बैड. तुम्हारा मन नहीं था एग्जाम लिखने का. पूरा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, नील, कुछ भी नहीं लिखा, ब्लैंक. मल्टीपल चॉइस, ब्लैंक. ठीक है
मैम. मैम मेरा जो है ना मैम, मैंने सबमिट कर दिया था, उससे रिमूव हो गया था मैम पूरा, फिर दोबारा से नहीं करा था मैंने.
तुम किसकी बात कर रही हो? मैं तुम्हारी ये एग्जाम की बात कर रही हूँ जो तुमने पेपर लिखा है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट.
कौन सा पेपर मैम?
रहने दो. जस्ट रिमेम्बर you are getting 9 out of 50. ठीक है, you 9 out of 50 in MSN 1. अंकित है? अंकित नहीं है. नेक्स्ट शिल्पी. शिल्पी है? शिल्पी पाल नहीं है. okay. स्वाति.
Yes, ma'am.
स्वाति है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Swati also injection Voveron. अरे injection we give injection Voveron during surgery. बताओ.
इंजेक्शन बोबरान
We do not give injection Voveron during surgery in OT. ठीक है, ये याद रखना. Anesthesia देते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, we give
Okay, ma'am.
anesthesia. And your right and wrong answer also, many of them wrong. ठीक है, spelling mistakes बहुत सारे हैं. Improve your spellings. ठीक है. Improve your
Okay, ma'am.
nursing care. Improve your nursing care plan also. So Swati 32.5. 33.
Okay, ma'am.
Mamta. Mamta is there? ममता नहीं है. अजय. अजय भी नहीं है. पूजा. पूजा वर्मा. पूजा वर्मा.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, पूजा वर्मा, तुमने भी बहुत सिली मिस्टेक्स किया है. MCQs में बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स हैं. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. Fill in the blanks, also spelling mistakes. Portal hypertension होता है, not partial hypertension. Okay. Improve your spellings and spellings also. And hernia. Hernia is defined as inflammation and fluid. Hernia, hiatal hernia is inflammation and fluid filled in the abdomen area. My goodness, that is hiatal hernia. ये मैंने, I did not teach you like this. Huh? Hiatal hernia, it is fluid in the stomach. This is wrong. ठीक है? It seems like तुमने पूरा, you did not study for MSN1. Pooja Verma 29. Hardly pass. Next, Mani Chauhan. Mani है? Mani Chauhan. Mani Chauhan. Next, Mamta James. No. Mamta James. Mamta James not there. Umesh. Very nice. Meenal. Hemant. हेमंत भी नहीं है. वेरी गुड. पायल सिंह. याद रखना है, जिसने आंसर नहीं किया है, यू विल गेट एब्सेंट. ओके, यू विल नॉट बी मार्क्ड प्रेजेंट. पायल
Yes, ma'am.
सिंह. पायल सिंह है. ओके, पायल सिंह. मेनी मिस्टेक्स इन दी ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स मिस्टेक्स. सर्कुलेटरी स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग. स्क्रबिंग नर्स नहीं होता. एंड वेरी मेनी योर. ठीक है, यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर स्पेलिंग्स. ठीक है पायल.
Yes, ma'am.
स्पेलिंग. ठीक है. चेक. CHECK. चेक स्पेलिंग. ठीक है. यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव. डिफिकल्टी स्पेलिंग यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव. ठीक है. सो पायल सिंह 32.5. 33. संदीप. संदीप नहीं है. कौन है? दीपाली. दीपाली है. पूजा. प्रतिभा. अमन. कुणाल. पंकज. पंकज कुमार. जय. जय यादव. दीपक कुमार. प्रीति कुमारी.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रीति कुमारी.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में बहुत सारे रॉन्ग हैं. ठीक है. You got 29. Preeti Kumari, 29 out of 50. Umara.
Good morning, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Umara, प्रशांत सर ने आपको दिया है.
हेलो मैम, मेरे कितने मैम? मेरा नाम लिया था आपने?
वो चला गया तुम्हारा
मैम
slot
अभी तो लिया था।
उमारा 24. प्रशांत सर ने दिया है 24.
मैम कितने?
24. ठीक है, ये प्रशांत सर ने करेक्ट किया है. Okay. दीपक कुमार, प्रशांत सर ने आपको दिया है 20. क्या
मैम शाहरुख का
दीपक कुमार सुन लिया 20.
यस मैम।
रोहित नहीं है. राकेश.
मैम दीपक कुमार।
हाँ, दीपक कुमार बोल दिया मैंने.
मैम कितने मार्क्स
राकेश
हैं?
20. रेखा.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so objectives also, many objectives you have gone wrong. Okay. So Prashant will give you 35. 35 out of 50. Mohit
Okay,
Kumar. Mohit Kumar. Gopal.
मैम मोहित प्रेजेंट।
Mohit Kumar.
नहीं मैम मोहित खाली कुमार नहीं।
नहीं, मोहित कुमार. Natasha.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
कौन?
हेमंत शर्मा।
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
हो गया तुम्हारा, खत्म हो गया तुम्हारा स्लॉट. नताशा है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay. Objectives, many wrong in objectives, and okay, you have drawn some diagrams, which is very good. Nursing care plan also अच्छी तरह से लिखा है. Very good. Okay, good. Nursing care plan also 39.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
हो गया हेमान तुम्हारा स्लॉट. आदित्य.
मैम बता
आदित्य
दो
नहीं है.
मुझे।
सचिन.
मैम हेमंत का बता दो।
गुड
तुम्हारा
मॉर्निंग
slot-
मैम।
सचिन.
यस
सचिन
मैम।
कुमार. अच्छा, ठीक है. ऑब्जेक्टिव मैंने पूरा आंसर नहीं किया. यू डिड नॉट इवन कंप्लीट द होल क्वेश्चन पेपर. ठीक है. 34.
ओके
नेक्स्ट
मैम।
अखंड. अखंड है. नेक्स्ट
सॉरी
शाहरुख.
मैम 24 और 34 मेरा।
34.
यस मैम।
ओके मैम,
34.
थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू।
शाहरुख.
यस मैम।
शाहरुख. प्रशांत सर ने दिया आपको 15. ठीक है. 15. नेक्स्ट आदेश. आदेश है या नहीं? नहीं है.
मैम मेरा ये बता दो।
हेमंत शर्मा 30.5. 31. Okay, thank you class. Okay, so today I did not take any class, but I showed you, give you a question answers.